Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. It's me, it's Anne. I miss you guys all so much. I miss making videos so much. You guys have no idea. It's been tough for someone who is active, for someone who loves to make content, to not be doing anything. This week I've been resting a lot, and I feel okay. I still get kind of weird pains here and there, but I am announcing I'm coming back. I'm making videos, and I just want to give you guys a heads up because I know there's 3 different giveaway videos that I have to pick winners for. So tomorrow, Friday, I will be posting a winner picked video for the Hirschner's 12 skeins of baby yarn giveaway. That was posted way back in March 12th. Oh my God. So I'll be picking the winner for that one. You guys, it's been a rough year. It's been a rough year and a half. Oh my God. Anyway, so I'm feeling better. Thank you everyone for all of the well wishes. Thank you everyone who's donated. Thank you everyone for leaving really kind messages. I really appreciate you all. I just have so much to talk about. I do have sponsorship deals. I am fully sponsored with Hobie. I have a ton of campaigns coming up with them that I'm going to make a separate video about. I have a lot of whips. I have all these ideas in my head, you guys, but I'm just saying that I will be back. Maybe not every day, depending on how I feel, because there are some days when I wake up, or some nights especially, that I don't feel well. It's hard for me, especially this past week, it was hard for me to get comfortable at night just because of all the work that I had done. For those of you who don't know, I had a surgery on March 31st. And it's going to be 4 weeks tomorrow. So I'm healing well. Every day is good, better. So anyway, I just thought I would make this video kind of to let you guys know that I want to start making videos again. I think I'm well enough to do so. I can sit down and I can really relax and focus on my crochet. So just be on the lookout for that video, you guys. And I really thank you. I really appreciate you all. Expect good things in the coming weeks and the coming months. And yeah, so I hope everyone is doing well out there. I hope you guys are doing well. And thanks so much for sticking with me. We'll talk to each other again in tomorrow's video. So have a great day, everyone, and I'm glad I'm feeling better, honestly. It feels really good to do this, so I missed you guys a lot, and we'll be talking again soon. Bye!